Hi, this is Fred with Echo360, and this is a short demonstration video to walk you through the student experience in our platform. So students can browse directly to echo360.org, put in their university email address, and enter their university password. The first page a student will see is their personal library. So the library is where users can upload, download, manage, edit, and share content. So it's really their personal video management space. It's also where they can go to access content that has been shared with them via a course, a group, a direct share. Within the library, users can apply various different filters based on the type of content, the source, the term, the owner, the status, and the course. And they can also enter their keywords to narrow down the results. Students have a create button, so they can also either create new recordings or they can upload a file from their computer. Now let's jump into the learning management system and show you some of the available workflows. All right, so here we're looking at a weather and climate course. We're logged in as Michelle Jackson, and you'll see a couple of links on the side nav bar. Now this is within Canvas. We have very similar workflows in all of the leading learning management systems. So here we've got a link to Echo360. This is going to take the student directly to the Echo360 course page that corresponds with the Canvas course. It's doing a single sign-on, so it's taking her credentials from the LMS and it's passing them through along with the role into Echo360. The Echo360 course page is available to all students in the course, and they'll see content that can include recordings, live streams, or even presentation and poll materials that instructors plan to use in the classroom. So let's just take a quick look. We'll pull up this example on dense tissue.
Okay.
So we can play the content right within the browser, no plugins required, and it's just a standard HLS format. We have a built-in transcript feature, so students can use that to search within the video. The transcripts can also be edited into fully compliant closed captions. And we also have native integrations with several of the leading closed captioning providers. The playback will automatically identify the speed of the viewer's internet connection. So we do what's called adaptive bit rate, and it will detect the internet speed and provide the playback up to 1080p. If the student has a slower connection, it will provide a lower quality, lower bandwidth option. Students can adjust the speed between half speed and up to double speed. While students are watching videos, they also can interact in various ways. So first we'll click the Notes button. Just type in a note here. It's automatically time-stamping that. So if the student's going back to review the notes a few weeks later, they'll have the context of what the instructor was saying and showing where the student took that note. And the notes are private to the individual student. Students do have the option to download and share their notes if they want. We also have built-in discussion, so anyone within the course can ask a question, tag their question to the time in the video. Students can ask questions anonymously if they want, and that means it's anonymous to their classmates. All questions and responses are seen by everyone in the course, which really facilitates peer-to-peer collaboration. It also enables instructors to identify areas of confusion. Students can also bookmark content, and they can flag confusion. So at any point while they're watching a video, they can hit the confusion flag. That sends data back to the instructor. So the instructor can see the most confusing content in the course. They also can see student-specific confusion data. From the course page, students also have the option to download the MP4 of the video or the display file, or they can download an audio MP3. So let's look at a couple of other options within the LMS. So we have a single sign-on link right from the sidebar here. It takes the student right to their library. Echo360 content can also be integrated with assignments in a number of different ways. In this first example, the instructor has embedded an Echo360 video into the assignment, and that video has a couple of polls embedded inside of it.
All right, where we left off was...
So the student is able to scroll up to the point where the poll exists, and then in order to watch the rest of the video, they do have to respond. Okay, in this example, with this demo account, the student has already responded. You can see the student immediately sees that they got the answer correct, and they can then continue. Instructors can also create an assignment that requires that students submit a video and attach it to the assignment. All right, so this is an assignment on dense tissue. Student has to click to submit the assignment, and then they're going to see an Echo360 homework button, which will present them with a modal where they have 3 options. The student can pick any of the videos from their Echo360 library to submit them. They can create a new video using our universal capture software, or they can upload a video file that is on their computer. So in this example, I'll just pick this video here from my library. I'll insert it. I can add a comment and submit. The instructor is then able to review it, grade it, and provide comments. The instructor also can upload the slides that they plan on using during the class session. So in this example, the student can bring their laptop or even their mobile device into class, and they can see the slides that the instructor has uploaded. So right at their desk in the classroom, they can follow along with their own copy of the slides, and they can take digital notes that are tagged to the slide number. And just like while watching a video, students can ask electronic questions in the classroom. They can also click the confusion flag, and that will mark that confusion against the specific PowerPoint slide. And if the instructor has added polls to the class session, students will be able to respond to those polls right on their device. So here's an example of a multiple choice poll, and the student can submit their answer. Okay, so that's a quick introduction of the student experience in Echo360.